Hey, it's me again. Do I look illegal now? Do I look illegal to you? How about now? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, man. You vote on this, huh? Well, check it out. I went to college. I went to the same college as our president. I went to Occidental College. That's right. I'm intelligent. I'm articulate. I'd make a lot of contributions to this country, just like anybody else. There's no reason someone should be able to pull me over in my car, right? Without any due cause, without any reason to suspect I've done a crime. Now, if you don't want people in this country that weren't born here, then that's fine. You know what I mean? But this is a free country. Free. It's land of the free, home of the brave. Give me your, you're hopeless, you're poor, you're downtrodden, you're weak. From all nations. That's how your grandparents got here, your great-grandparents, your great-great-grandparents. They came from another country. There are people here